Of thanks by our beloved principal, Dr. Shiv Kumaraya.
Good afternoon to all of you. At the outset, I submit my most reverential pranamas at the holy feet of Dr. Sri Sri Shivakumara Swamiji and Sri Sri Siddhalinga Swamiji, respected Dr. Abdul Kalam ji, respected Justice Venkatachalaya ji, Sri T.K. Nanjundappa, Secretary, Sri Siddhanga Education Society, Dr. M.N. Channabasappa, Director, life members and members of Board of Management of Sri Siddhanga Education Society, members of the Governing Council and Academic Council of SIT, our most valued invitees and media friends, our benefactors, employees of our students, Sri Panaraj and R.K. Prasad, officials of various district offices, municipal offices, my dear students and my esteemed colleagues. It is my privilege to propose a vote of thanks on this memorable and joyous occasion of inauguration of Golden Jubilee celebrations of SIT. His Holiness Dr. Sri Sri Shivakumar Swamiji is kind enough to take time out of his busy schedule to grace this joyous occasion and bless all of us. On behalf of all of us, I extend the most reverential vote of thanks to His Holiness Dr. Sri Sri Shivakumara Swamiji. His Holiness Sri Siddhalinga Swamiji is also busy in giving helping hand to his Guruji in running the mammoth institution, Sri Siddhaganga Gurukula. Despite his busy schedule, Swamiji has graced this occasion. On behalf of all of us, I extend Sri Sri Siddhalinga Swamiji the most devotional vote of thanks. Amidst us, we have another highly revered saint without saffron robes, and he is our Bharat Ratna Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam ji. Dr. Abdul Kalam ji has kept the audience spellbound by his lively speech. On behalf of Sri Siddhaganga Education Society, faculty, staff and students of SIT and the entire audience, I extend a very hearty vote of thanks to highly revered, visionary and great son of India, Dr. Kalamji, who has inaugurated the Golden Jubilee celebrations of SIT and set the tone for celebrations through his vibrant and insightful inaugural address. We are all inspired by your great words, sir. We will implement your mission Pura with the blessings of our Swamiji. Respected Justice M.N. Venkatachalaya ji, former Chief Justice of Supreme Court of India, is a beacon of judicial wisdom and integrity. He is an embodiment of simple living and high thinking. He has presided over this joyous function and delivered the presidential address. On behalf of all of us present here, I extend a very heartfelt vote of thanks to respected Justice M.N. Venkatachalaya ji. I take this opportunity to place on record our heartfelt thanks to Sri T.K. Nanjundappa, Secretary Sri Siddhaganga Education Society, for logistic support and guidance he has extended to us in organizing this function. It requires meticulous planning and a bird eye for details for arranging this mega function. We are fortunate enough to have the guidance of Dr. M.N. Channabasappa, our respected director, in organizing this function, and I extend our sincere gratitude to you, sir. It gives me immense pleasure in extending our sincere thanks to the life members and members of Board of Management of Sri Siddhaganga Education Society, distinguished governing and academic council members of SIT, our benefactors, employers of our students. We have E.S. Chakravarti, Tata Consultancy, Bangalore head is on the dais. I extend him also a heartfelt vote of thanks. I extend heartfelt vote of thanks to our valued invitees, alumni, my faculty members, staff of SIT and staff of SIT group of hostels, and my dear students also. Now, I extend a very heartfelt thanks to Sri Panraju, scientist, and also special officer to Kalamji, and I request Swamiji to honor Panaraj. I extend a very hearty vote of thanks to R.K. Prasad, Personal Secretary to Abdul Kalam ji. Whenever we send invitations for press meet, our friends from electronic and print media attend the meet with full quorum and give a wide coverage about our institute and our accomplishments. I acknowledge this gesture of our friends from electronic and print media with a sense of gratitude, and I extend our heartfelt thanks to all our friends present here. Now, before I close my word of thanks, I have an announcement. We have a strong 30,000 alumni spread all over the globe in 24 countries. Our alumni are holding Golden Jubilee Global Alumni Meet on 28th February, 1st, 2nd March of 2014. I appeal to all of you to attend this Global Alumni Meet. I extend a heartfelt vote of thanks to Dr. M.R. Ulinaikar, MLC. Thank you all once again.